Okay, so I just want to make a quick video on how to remove the window cowling around your windshield on the first generation Titan, because I didn't really see one. The only reason why I'm doing this is basically every time I turn on my AC when I first got the truck 2 months ago, I just kept hearing this clacking. I was like, man, it must be leaves in the blower motor. So there were leaves in the blower motor, and I cleaned it. And then there were leaves in the blower motor again. I cleaned it another time, and there were still leaves in the blower motor. So I was like, well, I need to replace the cabin air filter. I need to figure out why there's so many leaves in the blower motor. So I dropped the motor for the third time, but this time I also dropped the glove box. And then I opened up the housing for the cabin filter to find there was no cabin filters at all, because it's, 2 pieces. So I was like, then that must mean that there are leaves getting through from the fresh air inlet here in the cowling area, which I was correct. But to get this off is not necessarily very easy. So the first thing that you need to do is ignore this 10mm bolt that will be kind of hidden by this cowling piece here, because you don't need to mess with it. But what you need to do is to try and pop out this plastic rivet, which looks like, let me see, one of these. The other one fell beneath the truck, and I'll get it later. You pop that out, and then that will allow it to flap the the second piece of the cowling to flap. And then you do the same thing on the driver's side. Beyond that, then you'll need to remove the windshield wiper arms. Mine were a little tough to remove, so what I ended up doing was I put some PB Blaster on them, and then I got my little torch over there and heated them up for about 10 seconds. After that, they will go free. The biggest issue that you're gonna have, and what a lot of, I think, windshield installers complain about, are these plastic tabs that are actually a part of the cowling themselves. And you can see mine broke off, clean off, which I suspected because one of the sides kind of flapped, especially while going down the road. And then also on top of that, I believe that my driver's side was already missing this plastic trim that was supposed to be over there. So a few of them are intact, which is good, but I haven't inspected the underside of these to see if they've snapped. I'm gonna try to reinstall them. You can see this one is partially still there, the mounting point for it, which is a good thing. On the other side, I gotta do the same. But hopefully this helps somebody. I got quite a bit of cleaning to do, and yeah, thanks for watching.